Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how to log in into the Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is scroll to your homepage and simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you tap it open, it will take some time to boot itself up. However, after the booting completes, you will end up in this kind of login interface. Now, simply press on the login option, and once you press on it, you can simply type in the asked credentials. Now, first of all, type in the email address which you have used to create an Crunchyroll app. Then, simply type in your password and press the login option. Once you press on login, you will get simply logged in into your Crunchyroll account. So this is how you log in into your Crunchyroll app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.